you're looking for a property that has heaps of potential and a lot of unique features, then the old police beat situated at 36 Leftwich Street in White Rock has it all. You've got an office in the garage, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. You've also got a massive 3-bay shed. You're situated on a 742 metre square block with corner position, so great for side access. Let's go in and take a closer look. What's not to love about a 3-bay shed with dual access? This would be a perfect investment property or first home. I hope to see you at the open home. I'm Nikolai Bursky from One Stop Property.